Hi everyone, welcome to another origami tutorial. My name is Autumn Heil, and today I'll be showing you how to make an origami flapping crane. This is my favorite origami design to make and the one I make most often. As usual, you can use all different types of paper to make origami. Take your paper and fold it in half vertically and horizontally, making sure that your creases are smooth and sharp. When creating your crane, it's important to note if you have paper with a design on both sides, the side you want will be facing down to start. When you finish this, continue by folding diagonally for both corners. What we are making is called a square base. Bases are used as a way of identifying common starting shapes that a lot of origami designs use, so knowing bases help you quickly identify where to start folding your design. When you finish this, place your paper with the pointy end facing towards you, and the side you don't want showing facing up. Push the corners in as shown, inverting the paper to create a smaller diamond shape. You'll see when you successfully complete this that your paper has made a sort of pocket on the end that's facing towards you. When you finish making your base, place it so the open end is facing you. You'll notice that your paper now has two layers, kind of like a top and a bottom layer. Take the corner of the right top layer and fold it into the center. Repeat with the left side. When you are done, flip over your paper and repeat the folds you just made, taking the top layer and folding the right and left corners to meet the center crease. This next part is a bit tricky. You'll want to unfold the edges you just folded in, grabbing the bottom point, pull it upwards, and while you have made this little pocket, you can push the corners you just folded inward, inverting them. In this step, we are creating the wings. When you finish one side, you'll want to repeat on the other side. Now that you've created the wings, take the bottom point of each wing and fold it up to the top so that your wings are facing upward. You'll notice that underneath the wings you've created, there are two pieces that almost look like little legs. We're going to use this to create the neck and tail of the crane. Take one of the two bottom triangles and fold them upward against the wings. Unfold, and similarly to what we did earlier, we're going to want to invert the piece that you just folded up so that it folds in between the wings. You'll want to repeat this with the other side to make the tail, folding up against the wings and then inverting. To make the head, pick one of the two sides and invert the point slightly. This can be done without folding, or you can fold if you'd like. When you finish this, you have created your flapping crane. To make it flap, bend the wings of the crane down slightly. Then, pinching the base of the neck with one hand and holding the tail with your other hand, gently pull the tail backwards and the wings on your crane should flap. Thank you for joining me for another origami creation. I hope I'll see you next time to make some more fun origami.